Today we're going to talk about how you can grow your page to 10,000 followers in a month. Every Tuesday now, I'm going to do 2-minute Tuesdays, kind of like what Peter McKinnon does, but I'm going to specify it more for TikTok and what I do on there and how I post, editing, tips and tricks, behind the scenes of some photos or videos that have went viral there. So let's jump right into it. First tip would be to post as often as you can. One of the biggest excuses I see is that it's not up to their standards, and I would totally say, yeah, that makes sense. That's a good excuse, but there are lots of videos on my TikTok that are not up to my standards because they're just filmed on my iPhone with a front-facing camera, so it's even worse. But those have been my most viral videos ever. And in turn, that has helped me grow and push more people to my YouTube and Instagram and get more eyes on my work. Next tip is to create a community. This is where you interact with your followers every day, comment, respond to them, respond to your DMs, because people want to feel a part and to be seen. And when people are interacting with your work, you should be interacting with them because they've taken the time out of their day to express that they like your work. How long should your videos be? My most viral videos have been from 8 to about 20 seconds with a few that have hit 59 seconds. So I'd keep it around 11 to 25 seconds. Encourage others to engage in your posts. So write a caption that is interactive, so ask them a question, and then also engage in other people's content as well. You can't just be posting and not engage on anyone else's work. So for me, I engage on a lot of photographer and videographers accounts because I like their work. Yo, loving the work, that's awesome. And we start talking, and I've actually made some friends through TikTok and Instagram, surprisingly enough, which is kind of crazy. Alright, is there anything that I missed? If I missed something, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.